When I was in high school, I was taking a few classes on mechatronics, and as soon as ZF transmissions came over to Clinton, I got very interested in it, and they were telling us how much opportunities they would give us. I'm a 2-year apprentice here at ZF Transmissions. Once you're finished with all your classes at school and you're done with the program here, get your certificate and associate's degree. I just wanted to get in it for the experience. You can't really pass that kind of opportunity to work and get paid at the same time. When I hang with my friends, I feel like I have a privilege to come and get experience and get paid. While my friends, they're barely struggling. They don't have a job because they have to dedicate themselves to this college. I feel pretty good. I could go on and have money in my pocket and have an education at the same time. My advice would be do tech. If you get in a career that you just want to try out, it's not going to hurt you. You get a lot of experience. Other people still doing classes right now in a 4-year degree. I'm doing experience and taking those classes at the same time. It's a very high advantage compared to everybody.